Okay, so now we're going to show you some massage techniques using the foam rollers. Okay, so now we're going to show you some massage techniques using the rollers. As you can see, this one here is a hollow core roller, okay, and this one is a solid core roller. And this one too as well, while it has ridges and bumps to help to get into the muscle, you can see this design here has some more aggressive sort of knobs or bumps to get into the muscle. For a younger person or a person who has a lot of tough muscle, a person who's accustomed to the gym, this one may be more appropriate, but you can always experiment with this type as well. Okay, so we're going to do some lower body massages using the ruler. We're going to use this one in particular for this video. Okay, so we're going to deal with the quadricep muscle and the hamstring muscle first. Okay, so put the roller on the floor. What you want to do, you want to sort of like offset the roller from the midline of the body. Here, start at the top of the quadricep muscle here. Okay, support the body with the arms like this, and roll backward and forward. Okay, roll backward and forward. If you have a lot of tighter quadriceps muscles, you're going to feel a lot of pain, some discomfort. That's quite normal. So after you do this section here, you can bring the roller a bit lower. Again, roll the body, really get the knobs into the muscle, release those tight spots, release those trigger points. Okay, you don't actually want the roller to roll onto the knee. Well, what you don't want is this. You don't want the knee joint itself to be on the roller. Okay, keep the roller above the knee joint. Okay, and above the and below the crease right here. Yeah. Roll, really get those tight spots out. Then shift, really get those tight spots out. Okay. So now we're going to do the hamstring. The hamstring muscle. Same principle applies. You want to offset the roller to the side. You want to start in the center. Or you can start here. You can start here, really doesn't matter. Once you cover the entire length in sections. Okay. Support. You can use either palm to the hands or the fist. And once again, roll. Getting the entire length of the hamstring. If you can't get the entire length in one movement, you can always break it up into a couple movements. For example, if for some reason you can only do this section in one movement, move this here for a couple of minutes, then you move the ruler down to get the next section. Again, safety rules apply. You don't want the roller within the crook of the knee here. What you don't want is this. And also, when the crease where the buttocks meets the hamstring, you don't want the roller rolling directly into that spot there. Okay, keep it below that spot and above the crook of the knee. Okay. Once again, keeping the leg loose so the muscle is soft as possible, really getting the roller into that muscle. And turn the leg slightly outward, slightly inward, really get the width of the hamstring muscle. Okay.